Welcome to HVAC Repair, Concordia, Portland, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're in search of dependable HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractor in your neighborhood, you should turn to none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our expert team can offer services for residential as well as commercial properties. With more than 25 years of expertise in the field, we boast all of the knowledge and experience needed to handle even your most stubborn HVAC repair problems. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors and technicians are extremely skilled in all aspects of the heating and cooling industry. They offer exceptional service with outstanding results, outstanding customer service, and affordable pricing. Our team takes great pride in keeping up to date in all codes and technology in order to keep your family and home healthy. No matter how complex or massive the task is, we are happy with what they do. This shows the quality of our work. From minor repairs to cooling and heating to large-scale central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors can help. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the top and most reliable in the industry. Your job will be completed correctly every time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to maintain our relationship after the new equipment has been installed or repaired. Our regular service is designed to ensure your unit operates at peak efficiency without disruptive breakdowns. Our services include heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner installation, HVAC installation, HVAC repair, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other services. Our policy has always been simple. It's to provide a competitive price that is based on qualified HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians with no extra charges, and backed with an unconditional guarantee of the work done. If you need any heating or cooling issues, or installation services at your house or workplace, we have HVAC repair and heat pump installation experts are on hand to assist you. We can offer a variety of pricing options on all repairs/expert and guaranteed work. Emergency and weekend services along with warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.